Hey there! We're diving into the box of the KEELAT Impact Wrench, a tool built for toughness and reliability. Now, let's get down to what treasures we find inside the box. The user manual, your guide to getting the most out of your new tool. A charger, to keep that power flowing. A 22mm socket, ready for some heavy-duty work. A cordless battery, providing the freedom to work anywhere. And the star of the show, the KEELAT Impact Wrench. This impressive tool is constructed with durable PBS plastic for a robust and long-lasting build. Solid aluminum gear housing, ensuring strength and reliability under pressure. Powered by a 20-volt battery, promising serious performance for even the toughest jobs.